talk about these natural essentials, Be Purposeful, all-purpose cleaning wipes, and this is in breezy coconut. What I love about them is that they're food grade, and obviously I've been trying to get clean cleaning ingredients with no chemicals. I'm very sensitive. And first of all, guys, look at the size of this. I mean, compared to the bananas, the oranges, just like as tall, and wow, really massive, big, heavy, awesome box, which means this will last you a while. So if you have a large family or do a lot of cleaning and just want a good multi-purpose, this is it. So this is how it comes. It does come protected in a plastic with a little sticker on top. That's sealed for freshness. And then you just start the roll in the center and you have this little opening on the lid. Now the wipes come out easily, individually from the thing on top, and they're moist, they're soft. The smell is like a gentle coconut, slightly sweet, but still not very strong and barely there at the same time. I like that it's moist enough, it cleans well, and I would seriously use this for all purposes, from the countertops. Obviously, look how good it cleaned that up. I would use it to clean in the bathroom, to clean the gas range. I would literally use it on almost anything that I need cleaned with a wipe. And I love that it gives you a gentle cleaning, obviously kid and pet friendly, food friendly, which is super important. And as well, it's also 100% based and it's cloth, so score. So I definitely recommend this product, especially if you want to do a lot of cleaning around people, children, pets, and just around food. This will last you a while. 400 wipes. Highly recommend. Thank you to Natural Essentials for sending this to me for my review.